टिमरीज दिया दिल से उसको चाहेंगे। टिमरीज के हम तलबा है, टिमरीज हमारा मस्कन है। हम इल्म के हैं शायदाई, हम इल्म के हैं परवाने। सीखेंगे और सिखाएंगे, सीखेंगे और सिखाएंगे। आगे देश बढ़ाएंगे, बढ़ाएंगे। तालीम के चिराग को गली गली ले जाएंगे। कैसी आपके ख्वाबों को।
Myself, Mahboobnager, I am from 9th standard. Today we are gathered here to perform a skit on the name of Anthony's speech.
My name is Butul Beg. I am from 9th class A section.
Good morning to all and all. This is Sumayya Anjan from 9th A section.
Good morning to all. Myself Aisha Shazin from 9th standard.
Good morning to all. This is Shantishri from 9th standard.
Good morning to all. This is Abida Samita from 9th standard.
Good morning to all. Myself Nadan from 9th standard.
Good morning. Myself Yasmin from 9th standard.
Good morning to everyone. This speech is an extract from the play Julius Caesar, written by William Shakespeare. Julius Caesar was a Roman emperor with a great political power. He killed in a conspiracy led by Brutus. Anthony, a great friend of Julius Caesar, gave a rousing speech to the public on this occasion, keeping the dead body before the public. He began this speech by saying, "Friends, Romans, countrymen, lend me your ears."
Friends, Romans, countrymen, lend me your ears. I came to bury Caesar, not to praise him. The evil that men do you after them, the good of interred in their bones. So let it be with Caesar. The noble Brutus had told you the Caesar was ambitious. If it were so, it was grievous fault, and grievously Caesar had answered it.
For Brutus is all honorable man, but Brutus For Brutus is an honorable man, so are they all honorable men. Come I to speak in Caesar's funeral. He was my friend, faithful and just to me. But Brutus said he was ambitious. And Brutus is an honorable man. He had brought many captives home to Rome.
Whose ransom did get General Cofferfills. And this is Caesar seems ambitious. When the people have cried, Caesar's faith wept. Caesar seems ambitious. When the people have cried, Caesar's faith wept. And
You all did see that on the Lupercal I thrice presented him kingly crown, which he thrice refused. Was this ambitious? And Brutus says he was ambitious. I am sure he was an honorable man.
I speak not to deceive or Brutus spoke, but here I am to speak what I do know. You all did loving ones, not without cause, but cause with full children. To more fine, O judgment, thou art to faith, to Brutish peace, and men have lost their reason. Be with me, my heart is in the coffin where it ceases, and I must pass till it comes back.
Create a video of your talents and share it via WhatsApp on 9700491819 or kindly call 9493571988. If you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.